Before QuickStock, it was really a big nightmare. I would have to constantly go around looking up and making sure we've got all our stocks in order, and then leave it up to the memory to remember all the parts that we needed.
Managing inventory before QuickStock was quite difficult. We didn't have it readily available. There was a lot of delays with being able to make sure that we've got the right stuff at the right time to do the job. It was unacceptable with the amount of downtime that we were having with the stock management process.
One of my big roles in my position at the moment is seeing where I can save the company money. So I was using the Euromarc online application and it was working really well. Terry came down, we sat down, we spoke, and then he's like, okay, let's try this, and he introduced me to the QuickStock cabinets and haven't looked back since then. It's smooth sailing.